Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add background picture in PowerPoint. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the PowerPoint app on your PC. But if you don't want to do that and access the PowerPoint through Office 365, you can do that too. After accessing the PowerPoint program, access the target presentation that you would like to edit. Once you have opened it, click on the Insert tab at the top of the page and then select Pictures Embed from inside it. Also note that the process is same for Office 365 and PowerPoint app, so you can use whichever you are comfortable with. After that, you have various options to choose an image from. You can use the local images, stock images, or just search for them on web. I will select the local device option and insert the target image. Once you've done that, resize it to the right size and right-click on it. After that, you can either send the image to the back or just select Set as Background from the drop-down menu and you are done. So that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.